The story of a girl, Lila, who always say why.
Lila, honey, it's time to clean your room.
Why?
Because your room is a mess. You need space to play and think.
But messy rooms are more fun. I know where everything is. See, my crayon is under Mr. Elephant's tail.
That's not exactly a good system, sweetheart.
But why do I have to clean it every day? It just gets messy again. It's like brushing my teeth after candy. It's gone in 5 minutes.
Because cleaning teaches responsibility. And brushing your teeth teaches, well, not to lose them.
Responsibility blah tie is so exhausting.
Chapter 2, Dinner Dilemmas.
Lila, eat your vegetables, please.
Why does it always have to be green stuff?
Because green stuff helps you grow strong and healthy.
What if I want to grow strong eating only waffles?
Then you'd become the waffle monster.
That sounds kinda cool.
You need real nutrients, Layla.
What if broccoli has secret feelings and doesn't like being chewed?
Then we're in big trouble. We ate its whole family last week.
Hee hee, okay.
Chapter 3, The Great Bedtime Battle.
Layla, time for bed.
Why do I have to go to bed when the stars are just starting to twinkle?
Because your body needs rest so it can grow.
But what if my body doesn't want to grow tonight?
Even superheroes need sleep.
Why can't I sleep during the day and play at night like owls?
Because you're not an owl. Now, chop chop, get to bed.
Chapter 4, The Dreamy Surprise.
Still don't know why bedtime is so early, or why broccoli is so green, or why dust keeps coming back, or why socks disappear in the dryer.
You've got quite a lot of whys, don't you?
Well, everyone keeps telling me what to do: clean this, eat that, go to bed, blah blah blah.
Yes, and you keep asking why, and that's wonderful. But sometimes the answers come after you do the thing.
So I have to do stuff before I know why.
Sometimes. And when you grow a little more, you'll understand things a little better. Even broccoli, maybe.
That's kind of weird, but kind of cool.
Just like you.
From now on, Lila listened to the fairy's word and never said why again. The end.